Alright guys, we are here in a pretty fancy restaurant, and the owner is complaining of water coming out of the thermostat. Yeah, you heard me right. Water coming out of the thermostat. So you can see the line the water is made by the scale on the wall that's left over. Let's see if I can get a still shot here. And so what we did, we're going to relocate the thermostat on the other side of the wall because it's just too close to the entrance door right here to maintain an accurate temperature in the lobby here. So we've gone ahead and we've pulled through and everything, but I just thought I'd get some footage. You don't see this one every day. So what was the answer to the water coming out of the thermostat? Well, there's no water in the wall. We went over everything, both sides. This is the exterior wall right here. So we have no water in the wall. So after I had pulled the wire through, I looked. And you can see it. You get some light on this, guys. Yeah, look at that. See the little cloth that's down inside the wire? That little cloth is wet. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let's see if we can find this again without. There we go. So here we are at the cloth. See that cloth? And you can see on my fingertips water. So somehow water is wicking from the unit on the roof down through the wire and coming out down here in the thermostat. So we're going to jump up on the roof and see if we can't find out where this water is entering this line and see if we can get that fixed, along with, let's get this on here on the other side and get this relocated as well. I'll get some shots on the roof, guys. Good morning, YouTube. So we got this new account here and we got it bottom to top. So we're just going in and looking at all the equipment they've got, seeing what's going on and if it needs to be cleaned, and put them on a regular schedule and all this. So what do we got? Well, we got an exhaust fan. We've got another fan right there. You can see the pipe on it. And that's, there we are. And so we've got this girl right here. We've got that girl, we've got this girl on the walk-in. And we've got these two rooftop downflow package, single phase, 4-ton, straight cool 15 kW electric heat units. They're identical, and so he's had some problems out of this one. We just looked at it, and fan motor was intermittently running. Sometimes it would run, sometimes it wouldn't, so we went ahead and put a new motor on there for him, but that wasn't his only problem. He's low on Freon, so we went ahead and put about 7 pounds in this one just to get him by. He's wanting to replace the unit, so we've got this approved. from Linux. We're going to go ahead and set another Linux unit down here. Train. These are actually, if you'll notice, both of these units are not commercial units, they're residential units. And how do we know that? Because there's no fresh air intake, there's no outside air damper OAD on the unit. So this is strictly residential, but it's put here on this commercial application. And so what we're going to make sure we set a commercial unit back down here, and then we're going to have a fresh air intake. And this curb is not so level either. They're leveling the curb out with some wood. Yeah, look at that. Look how wow. So yeah, we're going to be putting a curb adapter on this onto a new Linux, because Linux doesn't even make this footprint anymore, the ductwork footprint. They just don't make it. So no matter, even if we went with this another residential unit by Linux, we would still have to have a curb adapter. So we're going to put a commercial one here, and do and here down in Fairhope we got to have hurricane rated curb adapter. Yeah. And so strapping and all that, so we got it. And we probably got another 3 or 4 days on the curb adapter being built, and the unit should be ready to pick up tomorrow in Mobile. So this girl right here, we just got open. She's working and running, but take a look at this. So what do we got? Well, I guess it's worked so far. But we got some spray adhesive in the truck. We're going to take this back off, get some spray adhesive on it, and get it done right, get it back together. But we're just checking here, and the coil, coil's definitely got a little bit of dirt on it, for sure. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this coil cleaned up and flush this condensate out. Start this PM process on all these except this one. So, alright guys, we'll get some more footage. Here's the curve. Let's see if we can get a shot of it. Hurricane rated curb adapter. So alright guys. Here we are guys. We got a 4-ton commercial unit and a Seacrest curb adapter going down. And the location here, I got a couple guys here in the hats you see. crane is just pulled up. The gentleman in the ball cap, the neon ball cap there. And really solid company here. Power Incorporated crane operators. And I mean, this guy shows up early. Is Johnny, man. I mean, he's ready to go. He's got energy. He's happy. And hey, we're stoked. We're here at our new account that we got. We're gonna go up on the roof and we'll get some more footage of it when we get it hooked up, guys. Well, we just lifted it off the curb here. Somebody's got signaling down there. Corey's signaling? Uh-oh. Well, here we are. We got unit set on the roof now. And getting electrical and everything. We're going to set a new disconnect box, 100 amp box. We have a single point entry on this high voltage line instead of a multi-port entry on multiple breakers on the old unit. The old unit was a residential unit. This unit's a commercial unit. So we've got our fresh air makeup outdoor air damper on there, and we'll get that set as soon as we get our unit turned on and get the unit running. We plot it out on a graph, and then once we get it on our graph, then our graph will show us what the position should be of the air damper. So we'll get all that tuned up, squared up and squared away and everything. But look at how the curb looks pretty good. The curb looks pretty good, guys. So we'll get some more footage, guys. All right. Now there we are. 4-time package downflow Linux, single phase, 410A, 14 SEER, hurricane rated curb adapter, hurricane strapping, outdoor air damper fresh air intake set, and we'll wait on this old girl. Alright guys, let's get to the next one.